welcome to Maths Unleashed. In this video, we will try to prove that there is an infinite amount of prime numbers. This proof was first created by Euclid, a Greek mathematician who lived in Egypt around 300 BC. Let's start with the proof. So let us try to prove that there is an infinite amount of primes. This proof is called proof by contradiction. At first we assume the opposite and then prove that that's not possible. So let's assume that there is a finite amount of primes, and we write them all out in a list. Starts with 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, and so on, until we reach the last prime. Let's call it P. And now we multiply all of these primes together. And then we add 1. So now we have created a new number. Let's call it n. We need to assume two cases about n. First of all, if it is composite, meaning that it is not a prime number, it needs to be made up of other prime numbers, so the product of at least two prime numbers. However, it is one more than all of these prime numbers, meaning that we need another prime number to be n's factor. However, this contradicts our original statement that this is the only prime numbers. So this means n has to be prime. But if n is prime, then there's another prime number that we don't have on the list, also contradicting. So this means there must be an infinite amount of primes, as we have proved that it's not possible to have a finite amount. I hope you now understand how Euclid proved that there is an infinite amount of primes. To watch more videos like this, subscribe and explore the rest of my YouTube channel.